Welcome to Tech Vibes. Today we are counting down 10 PS5 tips, tricks, and secret settings you need to know. Hey everyone, let's jump straight into it. These settings will change the way you use your console. Tip 1. Mute your mic by default. Did you know your PS5 microphone is on by default when you join games? That means others can hear everything. Go to Settings, Sound, Microphone, and set microphone status to mute. Now every time you start your PS5, the mic will be muted automatically, keeping your privacy safe. Tip 2. Mute everything instantly. Here's a quick trick many players miss. Instead of just tapping it, hold it for 1 second. This will mute your mic, speaker, and TV sound instantly. Tip 3. Reduce the loud startup beep. That PS5 startup beep can be really loud and annoying. To fix it, go to Settings, System, Beep, and Light. Here you can lower the volume or completely mute it. You can also dim the console lights if they distract you while you are gaming in the dark. Tip 4. Appear offline. Sometimes you just want to play without friends sending constant invites. On the login screen, press the Options button and select Appear Offline. Enjoy your peace and quiet. Tip 5. Check your total game hours. Want to see exactly how much time you've spent gaming? Press the PlayStation button, open your profile, and go to Games. It tracks your time for everything. Tip 6. Console sharing. Did you know you can share your library with another account? Go to Settings, Users and Accounts, and enable console sharing. Now others can play your games for free. Tip 7. Use the PlayStation mobile app. This app is a game changer for managing your console. You can download captures, check storage, and start downloads remotely so they are ready when you get home. Tip 8. Improve DualSense battery life. The controller battery can drain quite fast. Go to Settings, Accessories, and Controller. Reduce the vibration and trigger effect intensity. Dim the controller lights and turn off the speaker to significantly extend your playtime. Tip 9. Turn off controller quickly. Want to shut down your controller instantly? Simply hold the PlayStation button for about 10 seconds and it will shut down immediately. Final tip. Use Discord on PS5. You can now chat with friends on PC or Xbox directly. Link your account under linked services. Once done, you can join voice chat straight from your console. And that is it. These hidden tips will help you get the most out of your PS5 gaming experience. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!